six sailors, they're all rowing home. The lover who just walked out your door was taking all his blankets from the floor. Coming to us moving under you. And it's all over now, baby blue. Yeah.
Yeah, great.